Good evening, everyone. Today I'm in India Gate. That is India Gate, which was made by the Sun Admiral Lutyens in 1931 for honoring 70,000 Indian soldiers who were dead in First World War. Yeah, 70,000 soldier names were inscribed on the red wall. Yeah, this is a very green area. Yeah, there are many kind of the flower are here. I'm showing you. Just wait. Yeah, these are the flowers are here. These are Indian soldiers. Yeah, it's a bonding. Your security. It's called the security. Look at here. Beautiful area. It's totally green area. Look at it surrounding my security. Yeah, there are many crowd are here. Yeah, because of Sunday are here, so there are many crowds. Yeah, this is fountain. Yeah, I remember that moment. Look at this. Wait. I'm showing you. Just wait. Look at it on the front of the. Yeah, just wait, buddy. Look at it in front of you. You see? Yeah, yeah. I remember that moment before the 10 years back when I was coming with my friend. Yeah, I took shower here. This is Amazon plan, which is added after independence of India. To remember those soldiers lost in Indian Pak War in 1971. Look at here. Look at this. This is inside of the Amazon flame. That is Amazon flame. Yeah. Yeah. This is beautiful place, neat and clean area. Yeah, whom you are looking, it is a real man. It's not a statue. Yeah, it's standing for a few minutes. After some time, it's changed. It's a real soldier.